बाहर के बैठती टेबल पे आसानी से सब्जी पार भी लगा रखी चाहिए.
Whoever is in the talking
Okay,
in the
guys, I'm going
background.
to start now. Okay. The virtual charter ceremony of Tangent Club number 33, the Active Delhi Divas, is called to order. It is a privilege and a tremendous honor to kickstart this great occasion. A very, very warm welcome to all of you to this much awaited charter ceremony. History is being written here when, for the first time, a new Tangent Club is being chartered virtually. But then, hey, as they say, this is the new normal. And I'm happy to see huge participation from across India and beyond Indian boundaries too. And this is a celebration time, girls. We are jubilant, happy, and we are rejoicing in welcoming the new board member to the Tangent family. So without much ado, we shall start the proceedings of the charter by lighting of the lamp. May I request Chairperson Lata, co-sponsor Club 3 Delhi, to join me in lighting of the lamp.
Already.
Astoma Sadgamaya Tamsoma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amritam Gamaya Om Shanti 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 Om. May I now request Chairperson Lata to recite the tangent prayer.
For all thy gifts, we thank thee, God, especially for the gift of continued friendship.
Let us
I
raise.
can remove the lamp.
Let us raise toast to President of India.
President of India.
Let us raise toast to Tangent India.
Tangent India.
Toast to Tangent Club International.
Tangent Club International.
Toast to Association of 41 Clubs of India.
Toast to 41 Associations of India.
Thank you. May I now call upon the Secretary, Tangent Club number 2, one of the sponsor clubs, Aruna Kohli, to read out the aims and objects of Tangent India. Aruna, unmute yourself. Hello. Unmute. Rajan, can you please unmute Aruna?
Yeah.
Please, go ahead.
To continue friendship formed in Ladies Circle and Round Table. To work side by side with Round Table India, Ladies Circle India and 41 clubs of India. To share, enjoy activities based on fun and fellowship. Just a moment.
Yeah.
You're doing fine, Aruna.
Yeah.
Yeah, can you continue?
To continue friendship formed in Ladies Circle and Round Table, to work side by side with Round Table India and Ladies Circle and 41 clubs of India, to share, enjoy activities based on fun and fellowship locally and globally, to reach out to the needy and deserving wherever possible, to be non-sectarian and non-political. Thank you.
Thank you, Aruna. I request Tangent Lata to read out the greetings by TC International. Lata.
Yeah, the greetings, Indira will read out, my secretary of Club 3.
The international ones.
International
No,
greetings.
international, they are supposed to.
She will read out herself.
Okay.
Liat has not yet come in as yet, so I think we will take this point little later as soon as she joins in.
Okay, Indra, please go ahead.
I can see Liat on the call.
Yeah, I think even I saw her
She's
name.
there.
If she's there, then we'll ask her to give her greetings. Why can't I see Liat? I can't. Okay, she's there, but her video is not on.
Okay. So would you like me to take it up later?
I think we'll take it up after one point.
Sure.
Yes, so we'll read the greetings. I'll request my secretary, Indira, to read the greetings from Club 3.
Please.
Indira?
One sec, I will unmute. I'll unmute her.
Unmute her.
Yeah.
Indra, you need to unmute yourself. I can't do it.
Where is she?
Uh, somebody is helping her to unmute.
See the top.
Yeah, okay, it's
dot
done.
on
Now
yeah.
it's okay.
It's
Now
done. It's done. Yeah.
okay. We have received so many greetings from so many tangents, and Yogi Mittal, founder president 10 India, Nidhi Gupta, LC India president, Gopal Chopra, secretary 41 International, BK Singh, 41 India secretary, Pankaj Singh, 41 India IRO, RP Venkatesha, VP 41er India, Inder executive convener, Harsh Sehgal, PP 41er India, Rajesh Sundar, 41 Club 28, Manoj Subramaniam, Tangent 26, Sikta Das, TC 8, Anuradha, TC 10, Neelu Kantra, 12, Preeti Mehra, TC 15, Minal Makhija, 16, Rachna Gupta, TC 19, Dr. Nagrakha, 29, Gayatri Ahuja, TC 27, Namita, TC 25.
Thank you, Indra.
Srini has just sent in his greetings, and Gopal Chopra, I think we've already said his name,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
all the other chairpersons who are present over here and the other dignitaries who are present over here. We have not read out your name because we are hoping that
We
you
are
will
there.
give your,
We are sending the
you will
greetings.
give the greetings in person.
Yes.
Yeah.
Pardon
Thank
me
you.
if I have
Thank
forgotten
you, Indra.
anything. Please, yes.
She unlimited, and she truly lives by this. Nothing can stop her or come in her way, be it cyclone, earthquake, or COVID for that matter. The treasure hunt, the housey with the twist, the quiz, and now this charter.
Yes.
The unstoppable force at the helm of Tangent India. A very, very warm welcome to President Bijal to this charter. Tangent Club International Vice President Liat Bonstein, TCI Secretary Asa Agnel, TCI Board Member Jill Harris, and past President Harsh Sehgal. And of course, we are still waiting for Pankaj Vats to log in. He's not around. Anyway, I'm welcoming him.
No, Pankaj, what
He's
is
logged
there?
in just now, Pankaj Singh.
Oh, he has. Welcome, Pankaj, to this charter ceremony.
Pankaj Singh is also here.
Okay, hello, Pankaj Singh. Very,
We
very
have
welcome.
Darshan Parekh from Surat 41 Club.
Lovely. So I'm going to acknowledge all the 41ers, yeah, later. And a very warm welcome. When dedicated individuals like President Jayashree, Secretary Jyoti, Treasurer Ranjana come together, Tangent India Board happens. Welcome. Our relationship with IPP Sukanya goes back to Lady Circle days in early 80s in Delhi. This petite demure looking lady is a powerhouse of knowledge. A hearty welcome to you, Sukanya. The Tangent India founding president, Jogi, I don't think she's around. I don't see her. Anyway,
She's logged in. She's just logged in.
Great. So the Tangent One Mumbai, the mother of all the Tangent clubs in India, a very warm welcome to you. And some of the past presidents who are not here, probably I'm going to send out my vibrations of welcoming to all of them, Kalpana, Reeti, Parent, Mini, from diverse regions of India. A very warm welcome to past presidents, Renuka Jayashree, who double as National Extension Convener and Area 5 Extension Convener. Aruna, Mamta, and Rachna from our very own Delhi stable. I think, on a lighter note, this has to go on record in Tangent India trivia that Delhi Tangent 3 has given Tangent presidents only a little short of number of prime ministers Uttar Pradesh has given to India. Hearty welcome to all the 41ers present. I would like to believe that all the successful women present here, there's a solid 41ers standing behind. So 3 cheers to that. Welcome all the members of sponsor clubs Tangent 2 and Tangent 3. And of course, I extend hearty welcome to the members of the new Tangent Club 33, the Active Delhi Divas. Everyone, this I just wanted to tell them a little bit. Everyone you meet here, no matter how different we look, no matter where we are from and what language we speak, we are all part of one Tangent family. Every one of us here has the ability to change lives. Every one of us has that potential to reach out to those places where there is so much need and do what it takes to make things better. It all starts with you, so don't be shy. You might just find yourself a new friend, a new purpose, and a new beginning. It all starts with a smile and a hello, from one tangent to another. Welcome to the family. May I now request Tangent Lata to introduce the dynamic, vivacious Sunaina, the chairperson of New Tangent Club 33.
Can I interrupt over here? I see Liat has come back on the call, and can we have greetings from Liat from Tangent International before we go ahead with the ceremony?
Sure. Can I invite her?
Hello, ladies.
Yes.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Liat, can you talk a little louder?
Okay, you can hear me now?
Yes,
Yes,
it's better.
yes.
Very faintly.
Hello, ladies, and shalom from Israel. And President Bijal and past president and 41 Association, it's my honor to give greetings from the TCI. I'm sorry to join you late, but I'm not with my computer and there is problems with the internet. So my greetings will not be official and it will be from my heart. I'm very happy to be here today. As you know, English is not my native language, but I'll try to give the greetings. It's very special to join the family, to Tangent family, and I want to wish all the new sisters who joined Tangent today from 33 Club to light a candle for friendship, for love, for, you know, when you are a family you are not choosing, but when you are inside, you can feel a special feeling that you are part of something that you have to proud to be in. And I am very proud to be in Tangent, and I'm sure that you will be also. I would like to welcome you to our family and welcome all Tangent India for be part of the Tangent Club International. And I want to share with you just that the family is growing. And as you see yesterday, in Saturday, Romania and the United States joined us. So I hope that we will growing and be a big family. So big hug to all of you and good luck and welcome to our family. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And would Asa and Jill also like to say a few words? Asa, 1 second, you need to unmute yourself.
Now,
Yes.
can you hear me now?
Yes.
Yes. Well, I'm honored to be invited to this charter, as I missed your charter in Bangalore when I was there.
Yes.
And I'm so happy that I can participate in this one. And also, I would like to say that it's amazing how you're growing with both more clubs and also with the Amigos. And I also send greetings from Tangent Sweden. And I wish you good luck, and I hope that we can see each other quite soon again. And I'm really happy that I went to Bangalore in February to meet some of you.
Thank you, Asa. You've always been part of Tangent India, and we are glad that you were present here today.
Thank you.
I would just like to reiterate what both Usa and Liat have said, but to Delhi Divas number 33, I wish you all the best for this charter and for the many years of your friendship to come within Tangent. I look forward to meeting you all when I come over next year for the Roundtable International meeting, which will be held in Delhi. So I look forward to meeting a lot of you then, if I don't meet you beforehand. You have now joined the most fantastic club in the world. Tell everybody about it, shout about it. This is your friendship, this is our friendship, and we will all remain friends from now onwards. It is fantastic to be here at your virtual charter. Within this lockdown, it may be hard for us all, but we have learned that we can actually bridge the world. We can bridge it, we can see our friends throughout the world and have fun and enjoy events like this, which you wouldn't have been able to join you with before. So thank you very much. It's an honor to be here with you today. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Can we now move back to Lata to introduce the charter chairperson?
Yes.
Yes, thank you, Bijal. Thank you, Pawan. That was a lovely introduction.
Thank you.
I would just like to welcome my club members, club number 3. They are there in huge numbers today. And I would like to welcome club 2 members also. Of course, our president, Bijal, and all the international dignitaries, national dignitaries, all the 41ers. Thank you for joining our meeting. It is my proud privilege to introduce Sunaina Shukla, chairperson of Tangent 33, to this August gathering. Sunaina means beautiful eyes, and they say eyes are the windows to the soul. We shall see what a beautiful soul she has. Sunaina was introduced to tabling and circling about 12 years ago. She soon became an active member of LC15, and she has taken up various posts as area fellowship convener, circle secretary, and chairperson, and she has been passionately involved in community service. Her husband, Mr. Vivek Shukla, is also a 41er, DD 190. Her work has been lauded both at the area and national level. On the personal front, she has done BCom from Lady Shri Ram College, and she has done cost accountancy from ICWA. She is happily married with 2 daughters who are now 23 and 17. She loves music, books, and traveling, which is not possible now, but soon, hopefully. Above all, she believes in an attitude of gratitude. With this noble thought, she decided to become a Tangent member with like-minded people and take her club to greater heights. She feels she is highly blessed, and along with Secretary Sarika and this wonderful brigade of 9 members, she wants to reach out to the less privileged members of society. This is also the time to reach vision, recharge, rejuvenate, and evolve as better human beings. Now she is pursuing her CA course, Chartered Accountancy course, and preparing for her exams in July. She has successfully proved that a determined woman can pursue her dreams even after marriage and children. A family need not be an impediment. Rather, they can be the biggest morale booster. This enterprising woman is truly she unlimited. As I said, all myself and my club members accord a very warm welcome to her and Sarika and all her members, and we wish them all success as Tangents and great friendship and great projects ahead. Thank you. Now I can raise a toast to the new club.
No. Okay, the next point on the agenda is me conducting the charter ceremony. So I will start off with reading the charter certificate and declare the formation of Club 33. This is to certify that Tangent Club number 33 of Delhi has been duly organized, agreed through its officers and members. They are bound by the Constitution of Tangent India and will now be a duly elected member of Tangent India. They are entitled to all the rights and privileges of membership of the association, such agreement being evinced by the acceptance of this certificate of charter. In witness thereof, precedent is subscribed hereunder. I now hand over this certificate to Sunaina. Yes.
Thank you so much, National President Bijal. And thank you, Lata, so much for your kind words for us and for Delhi Divas as a team. Thank you so much.
Sunaina, I request you to wear your charter jewels, your new member's stole. Chairperson pin, and you've already shown the charter certificate, but if you want, you can show the charter certificate.
We can't see it. Yeah, we would like to see it.
Yeah, can we see the charter certificate again? If you say a few words, then you can come into the speaker view.
Yes, yes.
Okay, I can take a nice picture. Lovely. Nice. Okay.
Thank you.
The floor
Thanks
is
so
yours,
much.
Sunaina.
Yeah. Thank you, everybody. Good evening. And I feel honored and privileged for being given this opportunity to lead such a vibrant club group. At the outset, I must compliment Tangent India leaders whose efforts made today possible. We met Jyoti and Sita for our first fellowship contact meeting at Pooja's house, and that was the time where they all motivated us that we could do something besides what we were already doing. I vouched to give my best, and definitely I would need the unconditional support of each of my members. I understand and completely realize that all of us have young adults as children. Work and family will always be a priority, but this platform we would take to be a refreshing breather for us. We'll keep in mind to keep our activities simple, fun-loving, and meaningful. It should add to our lives and to the lives of the people around us, and to a large extent to our society. With the lockdown happening, I think the scenario has changed a lot. So we'll be indulging in activities which bring us joy and make this club also a special part of our lives. I realized when we give more of us to anything, it gives us double back. Whatever we appreciate, appreciates. So in this journey, I would request all of us to come together, join hands, and increase the flavor of friendship. At the year end, we would have a great collection, wonderful memories to cherish. Simply together, in passion. That's what I'm going to go by. And we all will be She Unlimited, as our President Bijal Kalwag embodies her theme in everything. It's an honor and a privilege for me to lead this year. But I'm sure each and every member of our group, the 9 members, Sarika, Shalu, Tina, Veenu, Sushma, Pramila, Mamta, Pooja, Poonam. Each one of us have something or the other to add as an individual and as a group. So with this, I think I would just like to say one more thing. जहाँ सूरज की किरण होती है, वहाँ प्रकाश होता है. जहाँ सूरज की किरण होती है, वहाँ प्रकाश होता है. जहाँ प्रेम की भाषा होती है, वहीं Tangent's members का साथ होता है.
Very good. Very good. I can't see Sunaina.
Sorry?
I can't see Sunaina. I never saw her whole speech.
Okay, here I am.
Lata, if you're on, you'll have to just swipe.
Yeah.
Yeah, Sunaina, continue.
So I think now we can start with, I would like to introduce our members. First of all, a very enthusiastic Secretary, Sarika Gupta. Sarika, please come and introduce yourself.
Yeah, hi.
I would like to first make you wear your pin and your stole.
Okay.
I think all the other members also, can all the members of 33 wear their stoles?
Yes, they can wear the stoles now.
Thank you. Okay, Sarika, please, you would like to introduce yourself?
Yeah. Hello, everybody. Hello to all the dignitaries, and thank you, Sunaina, for introducing me. Hi, I'm Sarika Gupta. I'm from DD 190. My husband is Mr. Puneet Gupta from Area 5. And for me to join this Tangent society tangent movement is a very proud moment because I want to intellectually as well as give back to the society with the help of all you tangents. Thank you. Now I'd like to introduce my treasurer, Shalu Jain. Shalu?
I think Shalu was having a bad connectivity. Is she here? Otherwise, we can proceed and we can come back. If Shalu is a very, very active person as a whole, and she was also one of the motivating, persuasive person who said, let's come up with a circle. So we'll just applaud. I think she was having connection problems.
Yeah, she has some connection problems.
Yeah.
Next on board
okay,
is
then.
Tina. Tina, can you introduce yourself, please?
Good evening, everyone. I am Tina Mittal. I've been associated with tabling from past 17, 18 years. Though I was never a part of active circling, but I was always a support for my husband who's been into tabling. His name is Vikas Mittal and now he's part of DDK 243 family. And I'm part of this group and I'm looking forward for great friendships and how I can contribute to each one of you. That will be my pleasure and an honor. Thank you so much.
We have Veenu Mittal. She's been a prodigy and LC15 winner. Veenu Mittal, are we here? She was here in the beginning.
Yeah, she was there.
Veenu, please introduce yourself.
I think so. She's not there.
Okay, we move on.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah,
so
we will move on.
Sushma.
Sushma was there. I just saw her.
Yeah. Sushma, please unmute yourself.
Yeah. Hello, everyone. I'm Sushma Poddar. And we have been, me and my husband, Vishal Poddar, we have been a part of DRT5, which was the founded table of this area. And I'm really looking forward for great friendships, good association.
It's a bad connection.
Yeah.
Okay, next is Pramila. Pramila, please introduce yourself.
Again, having Veenu is here.
Veenu Mittal is here.
Yeah.
Hello, can you hear me now?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, I am Veenu Mittal. I was part of LC15, where I was the chairperson as well as the area convener. Now I'm looking forward to join this Tangent 33 and do some meaningful work and enjoy through this process. Thank you.
Mamta?
Yes. Hello, everyone. I am Mamta Mangla. I have never been a part of any ladies circle. So joining this Tangent Divas Club 33 is a really great opportunity for me. And I'm looking forward to great friendships, meaningful associations, and a very pleasant journey ahead. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Poonam?
A very good evening to all. Myself, Dr. Poonam Vats. I'm professor of psychology in Delhi University and I'm a practicing counselor. Being a wife of area chairman, Mr. Pankaj Vats, I have been exposed to what this table has given to the society. And this has really motivated me to join myself. I think this is a time when we need to get back to the society, what they have given to us. So I would like to do and give my best to strengthen this beautiful family to their journey ahead, which they are going to start from today. Thank you so much.
Now I'd like Pooja Agarwal to please introduce herself.
Yeah, hi, hello everybody. It's really a great evening and I'm really opportunity to be part of this Tangent Club. All thanks goes to Sunaina, who's been an inspiration for us. And this is a new club for us, as I was never part of any earlier, though we were part of Roundtable DRT5 for almost 15 years, and we worked really hard in that. But this is a new club in Tangent, and it's a new learning from today. So I'm a baker by profession. So let's see if I can bake good things for you all and can serve you all. So hoping for a brighter and new journey. Thank you and love to all.
Pooja, that's a good motivation for us to come to Delhi.
Yes, yes. All our fellowships, Pooja is sponsoring the cake, all the anniversaries and birthdays.
Nice, nice.
I think Shalu is here. Shalu, will you unmute yourself and introduce yourself, please? He's a treasurer also. Shalu?
I don't know whether she's still a member.
Hi everyone. Can you hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you.
Yes, I'm Shalu Jain and wife of Gaurav Jain. We are also in tabling from many years, and I joined this club because I want to give a mission to my life, and I think this is the way I have to go. Thank you so much.
So I think now we are done with it. I request President Regional for the
induction ceremony. Okay, fine. Okay, it is now I'm going to read the induction ceremony. It is a proud privilege to welcome you ladies into Tangent India movement. You all have been eminent past circlers and wives of 41ers or roundtablers. You have all been active members and contributed much to the welfare and growth of your table and circle, and believe to continue the bonds of friendship established in circling and tabling years and possess qualities very dear to Tangent India. You have been chosen for membership of Delhi Divas Tangent Club number 33. May I remind you of your obligation to strive for the welfare of the club and for the peace and harmony amongst its members. It is our pleasure to formally induct you into Tangent Club number 33 and pin you with the Tangent India pin, which makes you a member of a worldwide organization of Tangent Clubs International. The privilege of membership carries with it duties and obligations which we are sure you will adhere to. You are duty bound to share time and knowledge for the betterment of its members, clubs, and national movement. I now request you to repeat along with me the oath of the new member. Please, all of y'all, can y'all please unmute yourselves?
Yes.
Yes.
And please
say
the oath.
Yes.
Please say the oath.
Yeah.
We accept.
Most
sincerely.
This membership of Tangent India.
This membership of Tangent India.
And Delhi Divas Tangent Club number 33.
And Delhi Divas Tangent Club number 33.
Through the motto of friendship continued forever, we hope to strive for the welfare of the club and through it gain and extend friendship.
Through the motto friendship continued forever, we hope to strive for the welfare of the club and through it gain and extend friendship.
We will at all times keep in mind the Tangent prayer and give thanks for the gift of continued friendship.
We will at all times keep in mind the Tangent prayer, give thanks for the gift of continued friendship.
We will always be mindful of the aims and objects of this movement and uphold the ideals for which it stands for.
We will always be mindful and the aims and objects of this movement and uphold the ideas for which it stands for.
On accepting this membership, we have the obligation of attending meetings and fellowships regularly and supporting in every possible way the various activities of this club.
On accepting this membership, we have the obligation of attending fellowships regularly and supporting in every possible way the various activities of this club.
Thank you, everybody. I congratulate all members of Delhi Divas, Tangent Club number 33, and welcome you all to the newest club to Tangent India, and request you all to raise a toast to the new members of Tangent Club number 33.
Cheers.
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 Yes.
Please come. I take this opportunity to welcome President 41 Clubs of India, Babji. Welcome, Babji.
Thank you, Bijal.
Yes. We'll go ahead with the proceedings.
So I request our Tangent India past president and area extension convener, past President Jayashree Thapar, to say a few words. Jayashree ma'am.
Good evening, everybody. It's indeed a great privilege and pleasure to see you all. And I would like to firstly congratulate Club 33. I had met the members of Club 33 and I can assure you it's a vibrant, vivacious lot of girls with a lot of professional people around, including the baker who already got my mouth watering.
Yeah.
As the concept of extension convener is again a new one to this year. And it is thanks to President Bijal who's introduced this concept following in the footsteps of the 41ers way of working. To look on the positive side, girls of T33, you should be really happy that a digital virtual meeting and a digital virtual charter has helped you to have a far larger participation than you would have had or have expected at a regular normal charter. So let's look at the positives, and I'm sure there'll be lots more positives coming out of our association and our friendship together. So congratulations once again. Warm welcome to Dami. I hope that we moments together where we can hug each other without social distancing in the near future. Thanks to everybody.
Thank you, Jayashree. I take this opportunity to welcome Manoj Kapoor, past president of 41 Club of India. Manoj has muted himself, but yeah.
Thank you all. Thank you. I've already sent a message. It's better that we guys stay muted. Thank you.
Yes, Manoj. Okay, Sunaina.
Yeah, thank you, Jayashree. Now, can I please request the National Extension Conveners, IPP Sukanya and PP Renuka, to please say some few words.
Sukanya, can you unmute yourself? Yeah.
Can you hear me?
Yes, yes.
So at the outset, let me tell you that it is not only a red letter day today for Tangent India, it is so special for me because the new club, Tangent 33 of Sunaina, Sarika, Veenu, Poonam, Mamta, Tina, Shalu, Sushma and Pooja, you are all from the very club that I have such fond memories of 40 years of Circle 15 and Tangent 2. And the members of Tangent 2 and 3 are also so dear to me. So hearty congratulations, Tangent 33, on this important red letter day for you. Wish you every happiness, every success. And at this point, I'd like to tell you that, particularly I'm sure my other board members who've seen me all these years are fed up of me saying the same lines again and again. But I can never reiterate this more because coming from, the counseling background that I have been in, I believe particularly post-mortem, it's so important for women to have women friends, to stay physically well and mentally stimulated. So no matter where you are in the country, in Tangent, no matter what the texture or the flavor or the ethos of the club is, the friendship and the laughter is identical. So wish you lots of love, lots of laughter and lots of friendship across India. Have a wonderful many years of happy tangenting. And congratulations to Lata, Pavan, and your lovely club members for making this happen. All of you are She Unlimited. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. And
Renuka, can you unmute yourself?
Yeah, I have unmuted myself. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Heartiest congrats to all the members of Club 33, our newest baby. We are Club 3 and you 33, or double the awesomeness. 3 cheers to one and all. Have a super time as you make a mark in Tangent India. Being a part of the Tangent family will bring cherished moments in your lives. So enjoy, girls. Have a blast. All the best.
Thank you.
thank you so much, Renuka. Thank you for your kind words. Should we request 41 club dignitaries to address the gathering?
Yes.
We have the president, Babji, here.
Yes.
And I think
Pankaj Vats.
Pankaj Vats, our Area 5 chairman.
President, you want me to address now?
Yes.
Thank you, President Bijal. Thank you, all the former stalwarts of Tangent India. I see many familiar faces here, not only from Tangent, but also from our 41 Association. I welcome the fellow board members of 41 India. A big congratulations to the newly chartered club. Yes, this is the new normal, and we are confidently and definitely moving forward in establishing ourselves as a vibrant organization. So I'm glad that, yes, like you mentioned, we had a charter last week in 41. And I'm also glad that Tangent India is following closely and also expanding in a very positive and vibrant manner. I would like to personally thank Bijal for inviting me here, and I wish you all the very best, all the very success, and hopefully we will see you all when we conduct the AGM, which incidentally is also going to be a Zoom AGM. Thank you, Bijal. Thank you, all the office bearers. Thank you, fellow NX members from our 41 Association. I can see a couple of past presidents, Manoj Kapoor and Harsh Segal. Welcome, sir. And good wishes to all the newly joined members of Tangent India.
Thank you.
Thank you, President Bijal. Thank you.
Thank you, Babji. Welcome to Srinivasu, Area Chairman, Area 4. I've just seen that he has just come in and logged in. Can we have Pankaj Vats, Area Chairman, Area 5, to say a few words? You have to unmute yourself, Mr. Pankaj. Yes.
Good evening, all of you.
Hello.
Greetings from Area Board, Area 5. Just wanted to share some happening, how it all started. So Jayashree and Renuka Bhabi, they initiated and spoke to me long back to form a new club in our DDD 190. But it all started at our member Puneet Agarwal's house when National Secretary Jyoti Singh saw spark in Sunaina, a past circular, as a team leader for a prospective club. And we have the result today in form of a wonderful club now. First of its kind in India, I believe, which is being chartered through Zoom. Area 5 and 41ers, we are with you. Thanks, my club chairman Puneet Gupta, for all his support. And I want to take this opportunity to welcome all of our past presidents, our current president Babji, my area chairman, Area 4, Srini, and the rest of our 41er. Thank you very much, dear.
Thank you.
Thank you, Chairman. Thank you, Pankaj, for your encouraging words. Can I request the Tangent India board members to say a few words? Tangent India VP Jayashree Chaudhary.
Yes, that's a pleasure. And I wish I'd done my research because this is all our LC15 girls and I'm so excited. Vinu, you've just taken it ahead. Sunaina, wishing you all the very best for doing something that, you know, was not so very easy. Thank you, Jyoti. Thanks, Pankaj, for mentioning Jyoti, for getting this done. I just want to leave few words before I end this wonderful charter that is happening for the first time virtually. I mean, we all do a lot of business work here, and it's the first time we're doing something that's social. And I just want to say this, that friendship is the hardest thing in the world to explain. It's not something you learn in school, and I'm sure all of us agree to that. But if you haven't learned the meaning of friendship, you haven't learned anything. And I think Tangent is one to teach us all that. And all of you coming together have just proved that friendship it is. And Tangent India rocks.
That's wonderful. Thank you. So do we have our very favorite Jyoti here, the Tangent India Secretary? I'm waiting to hear from you, Jyoti.
Am I audible?
Yes.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. Vice President TCI, Liat, Secretary Asa, Board Member Jill, President Tangent India Bijal, President 41 Clubs of India Babji, Area 5 Chairman Pankaj, IPP Sukanya, members of Tangent India and 41 Club Board, National Extension Convener, Past President Renuka, Area Extension Officer, Past President Jayashree Thapar, Chairperson T2 Pawan and T3 Lata, Charter Chairperson Sunaina, Secretary Sarika, members of Tangent Club 33, and all the dignitaries present here for this virtual charter. It's a proud moment for Tangent India to be chartering club number 33 today. I'm honored to be present here as Secretary of Tangent India, where history is being scripted in the form of first virtual charter of Delhi Divas 33. I go back to October 2019 when things were different and I got the opportunity to meet the wives of members of 41 Club number 190 in Delhi. The first contact meeting was held that day and I'm grateful to Area Chairman Pankaj and Club Chairman Puneet for motivating the ladies to form this club. I have been in constant touch with the members and guiding them. The charter has been delayed by 2 months due to the COVID crisis. Members have risen to the occasion during these extraordinary times by showing exemplary qualities of providing relief measures in these unprecedented situations. With the charter of Club 33 Delhi Divas, we are now 29 active clubs in the country with a membership of 474. 53 new members joined the movement during the year 1920. 2 clubs have been chartered this year and Surat is in the pipeline. Congratulations once again to the members of T33. I extend a warm welcome to Chairperson Sunaina, Secretary Sarika, and all the members to a new and exciting world of Tangent. You have set a benchmark and you will be the trailblazers. Thank you.
Thank you. We look forward. Now, can we have the Treasurer Ranjana Singh to address the gathering, please?
Check. Can you hear me?
Yes, but little louder.
Yeah. Newly inducted Chairperson Sunaina, Secretary Sarika, Treasurer Shalu, Presidents Bijal, Babji, other 41 dignitaries, International Tangent members Liat, Jill, Osa, and members of Tangent 33. What a wonderful number to begin with, 9, such an auspicious number. This is indeed a wonderful moment for Tangent India. A few months back, we had all made travel plans to be in Delhi for this very same charter. What could not happen in person has been made possible due to technology. You will go down in history as the first club to get e-chartered in India. As treasurer, I can say that I'm very impressed at the promptness with which you fulfilled all the initial formalities for charter. Do keep up your keenness of spirit and enthusiasm. I'm sure you girls will add new color and fragrance to the bouquet of Tangent India. My warmest welcome to all of you, and congratulations to the sponsor clubs T2, T3, extension conveners, and area chairman Pankaj Vats, who have all worked so hard to increase our membership. So God bless, have good fun, looking forward to good times with all of you.
Thank you. With this, thank you so much, Anjana. Now I request our Tangent India President Bijal to address the gathering.
Bijal, before you say, let me just say one word, please.
Yes.
You know, when I was welcoming my club members, 3 new members, prospective members were supposed to join in. I just saw that one of them has come, Suruchi Bhamri. A warm welcome to you. Since this is a charter ceremony, it's good that you have also come. You will soon be joining our club, and we are looking forward to that. Sorry, Bijal, carry on.
No
the
problem.
other 2 haven't come, so.
No problem. Let me start off with welcoming Liat, Asa, and Jill from Tangent International for joining in today for this charter. Thank you, Babji, Harsh, Manoj Kapoor, Pankaj Vats, and Shrini, Area Chairman. Pankaj Singh, Anand Khara, Bikram Singh from the 41ers board, national board, and Darshan Parikh, who has also joined in. He's also, I think, area chairman of, no, he's not area chairman, but he's come from Surat. So thank you for joining in for this meeting. Congratulations to the new Tangent members, Sunaina, Sarika, and all the other lovely 9 ladies. We may be locked down in our homes, but not in our spirits. In the spirit of resilience and being unstoppable, today marks a very important day in the history of Tangent India. We are all here creating history, being part of the first ever charter of Tangent India number 33. Growth and extension has been the core mission of Tangent India this year. Deepening our roots and spreading our branches has been a consistent, consolidated effort towards our mission. And I'm happy to report that in spite of the challenging times that we have faced in the past few months, we have inducted more than 60 members this year. We've chartered a club in Bangalore in March, and Surat will be chartered hopefully sometime in March this year itself. The motto of Tangent India is friendship through continued forever. Through these strong forces of friendship and fellowship that bring us together, we have taken giant leaps forward, building bridges in the community. In the past 2 months alone, clubs across India have done projects worth 15 lakhs in association with the 41 clubs, Ladies Circle, and Roundtable. In fact, we pooled in funds worth 1,17,600 for the Roundtable India Kitchen itself. During this lockdown, our members have come closer together than ever before, taking part in a number of fellowship activities like treasure hunts, tambolas, quizzes, singing competitions organized by the 41ers, webinars, and Facebook Live events. To the Delhi Divas, I say, true friends are never apart, maybe in distance, but never in the heart. I couldn't be there in person due to the COVID-19 restrictions, but I look forward to meeting you all very soon, especially coming to eat the lovely baking products and the cakes by your club members. It was a pleasure interacting with Sunaina these last few months and seeing the enthusiasm of the Divas. I'm sure that they will be a huge asset and will light up Tangent India in the years to come. Let's keep up the high spirits and continue to bring sunshine in our friendships and communities. And before ending, I would like to say a special thank you to Jyoti Singh Deo and Pankaj Vats, whose untiring efforts have borne fruit today. Thank you all for being present over here today and for conducting this entire thing so beautifully. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Bijal. That was really nice. Kudos to the whole Tangent India movement. Now we are into the any other matter.
Yeah, I'm going to unmute everybody so that whoever wants to give their greetings can do so.
Greetings from my home Tangent Club, that's Tangent 15. Preeti unfortunately could not be on this, but she has sent her greetings across.
Yeah.
Greetings, Sunena from Tangent Club 18. Congratulations on being the charter chairperson of your club. And it's a pleasure to be your co-chairperson from Tangent 18. We've had a great journey of friendships in Ladies Circle, and I look forward to this further as being your chairperson for the future. I wish all of you the very best. Enjoy it. That's all there is to it. Never stop enjoying life, and that's what Tangent India is all about. So welcome to all of you, and cheers and toast to all of you at Delhi Divas 33. Welcome. Thank you.
Thank you, Smita. We love the quiz you made us play. And the
Quiz
tambola.
was
A very, very warm welcome to
Bijal.
Okay, a very warm welcome to Delhi Divas.
Tambola was me.
Yes, Lata.
May I add that I had the proud privilege of handing over the certificate to Sunena, as I was lucky to receive it from Bijal. So I wish you all lots of fun and friendship, and look forward to more joint meetings with you. Thank you. All the best.
Thank you.
I have a message for Smita. We look forward to some more very interesting programs. You are the Zoom, I declare you are the Zoom queen. You know that?
I am under command of President, so as she says.
Done. Point
May
noted, Pavan.
Congratulations. I convey my
Thanks, Pavan.
greetings,
Thank
please.
you.
Congratulations, Sunanya.
With your
Greetings from
permission.
T8 Bhubaneswar. And welcome to the Tanyan family. Wish you a very, very nice year with a lot of fun and fellowship.
Thank you.
I think Aruna is trying to say something. Can we have Aruna Ummat?
Yeah,
She's
thank you.
Tangent India past president.
Okay.
I convey my greetings to the newly chartered Club 33 and wish and best wishes to the incoming chairperson and the members for a very eventful year ahead, even though it is during the COVID pandemic. May I just take a minute to share my thoughts on this happy occasion? In 2011-12, when I was the national president, there were only 11 clubs. The last club was chartered by me, National AGM. Today, we are strong 33 clubs. And within just 8 years, we have grown threefolds, and also the membership probably also has grown threefolds.
Yeah.
We are also now a full-fledged Tangent member of Tangent International. I'm very happy that younger members are joining Tangent. They are full of energy, having fresh ideas and more tech savvy. That makes Tangent India a more vibrant and interesting association. Friends, each one of us is contributing to the expansion and richness of this organization that promotes continued friendship. So remain involved and active to bond. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Aruna. Thank you.
I'd like to give my congratulations.
That's Jogi Mittal. She's the founder. She's the one who founded Tangent India. So she's the mother of Tangent India.
Wonderful.
Thank you, Bijal.
And first president, she was the president of Tangent India for 3 consecutive years.
Thank you for this introduction, Bijal. I just want to convey my congratulations and a very warm welcome to Delhi Diva, Sunaina, and her beautiful team. It's a wonderful feeling to see the baby grow so big and strong. And you seem to be a very, very vibrant bunch of girls. Wish you all the best and hope to see you in person soon. And this is also from Tangent Club #1.
Okay.
All the best.
Thank you.
Thank you. Harsh has raised his finger, so can we have Harsh?
Yeah, congratulations, young ladies, to the
Charter Chairperson Sunaina and the Charter Secretary Sarika. Great to see you becoming part of this very wonderful movement, Tangent India. Enjoy yourself, have fun, and do all things that you did not do earlier. Cheers.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
I want to say.
Yeah, okay. Can we have Anand Khara?
Direct. Congratulations, President Bijal and all the head board members of Tangent India for the first ever Tangent e-charter. Congratulations. Congratulations to Chairperson Sunaina and all the Tangents of Delhi DUR's Tangent Club number 33. And thank you for inviting me to be part of this this occasion, this unique and special occasion. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Can we have BK Singh?
Yeah, thank you, President Bijal. One minute. Greetings from Bhubaneswar, and I was honored to be present at the first contact meeting. I've enjoyed the cakes also.
Oh.
So, and I look forward, since I go to Delhi regularly, I don't know when that will be possible, but congratulations to Tangent India and to the new club. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Srini, would you like to go next?
Yes, thank you, President Bijal, all the dignitaries, both from Tangent as well as my fellow board members from 41 clubs. Thanks for inviting me, and I wish to extend greetings from Area 4 41 clubs to Tangent Club 33, to Charter Chairman Sunaina and Secretary Sarika. The interesting thing is all of us say that because of COVID, we have no choice but to be on the virtual platform. Think of it, but for it, all of us wouldn't have been a part of this amazing event.
Exactly.
It would have just been few of you and some people from local Delhi team. So I think we take what as things come and make the most of it. And I'm so happy that, not just from Tangent International, but 41 clubs is so well represented. We have to go hand in hand, grow together, and make this movement a lot more strong and vibrant. And I'm especially happy that, Chairman Darshan Parekh from Club 104 Surat is here. I think they're going to have a Tangent e-charter very soon. Thank you very much, and I wish to extend my greetings once again to all of you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. I see Pankaj Singh also over here. Pankaj, can we have... Pankaj, you need to unmute yourself.
Yeah, Bijal, I'm fine. Good evening to all the Tangent ladies and national and international dignitaries present here. Thank you for inviting me, and I'm very happy and proud to be present on this momentous occasion. Congratulations to Tangent India on the successful charter, and all the best to Chairperson Sunaina and all the new Tangent ladies. You will add great strength and value to Area 5 of 41 clubs of India too, and we welcome you for that. At all the international events, the Indian contingent is always large, and Tangent members are always present in equal strength. Hope that you will also travel with us next time that we go for international AGMs and international half-yearly meet. For a large contingent from India always adds a lot of color and the Indian flavor to these international meets. Bijal, you have shown great leadership, and congratulations to you for that. Thank you, and all the best, ladies.
Thank you so much. Darshan wanted to say a few words. Darshan?
Yeah, am I audible, Bijal?
Yes, Darshan.
Yeah. President Bijal, Tangent Club of India, National President Babji, Area 4 Chairman Srini, all the national and international dignitaries. Greetings from, I'm Darshan Parekh, Chairman Surat 41 Club 104, and greetings from 104 and all the members from Surat. Thank you, Bijal, for having me here on this platform. And
I had an ulterior motive.
Yeah, that I'm going to announce. Don't worry. So, congratulations to Delhi Divas, and it's an honor for me to be present among all the divas, national divas and international divas. So, I take this opportunity to inform you all that the past circulars from Surat are very soon going to form a Tangent Club in Surat, which was supposed to be formed in March, but as per the circumstances, it was not done. So, and two of past circulars from Surat are also present here, Sangeeta Chatyawala and my wife Hemal. She's also there among all of us. Once again, greetings from Surat, and thank you all for having me here. Thanks.
Thank you. Anybody else would like to give greetings? Prashant, my husband, wants to give greetings.
Oh, great. That's very nice.
Hi. I'm actually called Mr. Tangent India. It's fun to be called that. So basically, it's not steel unlimited, it is steel very limited. That's me. But greetings to all. It's been fun to attend this charter.
You could have said congratulations. Never mind. Anybody else?
I want to say
Yes, Sangeeta, you're on next.
congratulations, Bijal and Sunaina.
Thank you.
First virtual charter, and all the best to all of you.
Thank you.
Would like to come in,
Thank
please.
you for inviting us.
Hello.
No.
I would like to come in, please.
Yes, yes, Chitra.
Hi, Sunaina.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. You've always been so dear to me and dear to my heart. And I'm so happy, and I must wish you all the best and congratulations. It's been such a wonderful feeling for me to see you and representing, because we have been the members of the same club, LC15. And we have been meeting each other for last few years in some of the social works and gatherings. I'm so happy. Thank you so much, and all well to the entire team of yours, and all the success and happy Tangent.
Thank you, Chitra.
Thank you so much, Chitra. Chitra and Pawan have always been motivating me since I had joined circling, and finally the day has come today when I'm part of the same Tangent family as you are. Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you. Anybody else? Any other matter? Sunaina?
Yeah, so I request our Secretary, Sarika, to please make the announcement and the date of the next meeting and propose a vote of thanks.
All right. We would like to, we will be having a fellowship meeting on 12th June at 6 o'clock on Zoom to celebrate our charter.
Lovely.
And now we would like to thank all the international board members and dignitaries, the national board members and the area board members, and all my fellow Tangents for welcoming us to this beautiful group. We are all very happy and delightful to be a part of this wonderful movement, and we all want to meet you all very soon in person and get a very positive and nice start to our club. All of us are looking forward to your guidance at each and every step. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you everyone for a lovely meeting. It's been a very nice event and a historic one.
Thank you.
Thank you. Can we
See you all very soon.
Harsh, can you please hold on? Can we just finish with the national anthem?
Okay, go.
Yeah.
Go
Okay.
Okay, I first raise a toast to the sponsor club number 2 and Tangent Club number 3. Thank you so much, and to all the floor members also of Tangent 2 and 3, whom I haven't met, but I'm very keen to meet as a group. Thank you, the whole international dignitaries. Thank you so much.
And can we all, I'm not going to ask everybody to rise. We will sit in our places and say the national.
I think we can rise.
We can rise? Okay.
Yes,
great.
we should.
Okay.
I think we should rise.
Okay, done. Okay. जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा। तब शुभ नामे चाहे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे। तब जय दाता जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
Thank you. And Bijal, excellent conduct of a
Thank you.
of the
Harsh,
landmark
you were saying
e-charter.
something.
Congratulations.
Beautiful meeting. I was just mentioning to these ladies of Tangent 33 that we are all locked down here in NCR. The moment it opens, hopefully we will all meet.
Sure.
Bijal, we need to close the meet also, no?
Yes, yes. Sunaina?
Yes.
Thank you.
I declare the meeting, the charter of our club Tangent 33 closed. Thank you.
Thank you. And congratulate everybody and congratulate ourselves.
Thank you.
Congratulations,
Thank you so
Sunaina.
much.
Thank you.
Let's give us some pat on our backs for this wonderful e-charter.
Thank
you.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Job,
Thank
Pawan.
you.
Job well done.
Thank you everybody for helping me, for helping Tangent India get this new baby into Tangent India. All of you all.
Thank you.
Pawan,
Delivery.
Jayashree,
Bijal, e-delivery.
E-delivery. Thank you everybody.
So happy to be a part of this loving family. I think each one
So
of
we have a new vocabulary. It's called e-section.
Yeah,
Not
e-section. That's a good one.
That is a good one.
E-section and e-delivery.
Very innovative. Very innovative.
And
No, but the baby is real, Jayashree. The baby is real.
Baby? Yeah, a 9-pound baby.
9-pound
baby.
Yeah, actually.
Sangeeta, looking forward to meeting everybody on this same platform, same time, very soon, sometime before the end of this month.
Yes.
Looking forward. I was addressing
Thanks,
Sangeeta from Surat. She's sitting over here and she's going to give us another baby very soon.
Geeta Rathod.
No, Sangeeta Chatiawala from Surat.
From Surat.
Okay, ladies, congratulations.
Okay.
Cheers. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Bye, girls.
Saloni, nice to see you after so long.
What's up, Crawford? Bijal?
Seeing you on Zoom.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, nice to
see you,
Saloni.
Nice to see everybody. Yes. Jogi, I can recognize your voice.
Yes.
Yeah.
Girls, give yourselves a pat on your backs for this wonderful conducted meeting.
Very nice.
Thank you.
I really enjoyed it.
Well done, Pray. Bye and take care, girls. Stay safe, stay healthy.
Bye.
Bye, girls. Bye. See you.
Bye.
Everybody, Chitra, Pavan, Aruna,
Bye.
Uttal, and all, Renuka, Nalini, everybody, Jogi.
Oh, very nice.
Nalini, how are you?
Yeah.
Long time.
Yeah, okay.
Greetings. Hello, everybody.
Yes, who's this?
Hi, Pooja.
Pooja.
Pooja speaking there.
Hi. Hi, Pooja.
Hi, how are you?
Your say.
Pooja. Pooja, we
there.
can't see you.
Yeah, videos off.
Nobody wants to leave the meeting, Bijal.
Who's the moderator for this?
Congratulations to you. Really,
So you'll have to sit till
push for it and it happened.
I have a suggestion.
Yes.
Pooja is saying something.
Dil mange more.
Jayashree, dil mange more.
Why don't we ask Smita to
One sec.
sing
Smita,
for a
1 second.
parting song?
1 minute. Pooja is trying to give some inputs. Can you
Yes,
just let
Pooja.
No. Congratulations. Sorry I joined late, but congratulations to everyone.
Thank you,
All the
Pooja.
best.
Congratulations
Pooja,
to
for
you
coming
too.
across.
Congratulations to you too.
Yeah, Delhi's got a baby now.
Delhi has a new
Pawan,
baby.
you speak so wonderfully. Really, I am so impressed. Really.
She sings equally wonderfully,
And
Jay.
she conducts it.
Yeah,
Yeah,
she
And
does.
she sings as well
so
as she
well.
speaks.
हाँ तो हो जाए एक इधर.
Smita to give a parting song. That's the tradition.
No, you sing.
No. Pawan, we want one Carpenter's number from you.
But you sing the top of the world today.
Carpenters.
Ideally, you should be on top of the world.
Exactly. You have to.
Not today. I have left singing long time back.
What are you saying? You just won best song. In Area 5, we just
And I was there.
Yeah.
Smita, I am proof.
Yes.
Even Jyoti was there. Ranjana was there.
Pawan, you can't say this to us. I took your testing also.
40 years back when we left Delhi, or not, maybe a little less than that, Pawan had one kid. She was so worried, she was expecting twins. And then I remember she had one kid on her leg and one on her hip, And they would say, Mommy. And then all this time she's gone and got herself a PhD. My goodness, my Pawan. Ooh, I'm so proud of Pawan. Really. Such a dear friend.
Pawan Ojai, top of the world.
Meeting. Very, very beautiful. Really.
Well conducted. Really very well.
Thank you.
Sunaina, you've made history.
Benchmark for virtual meets now.
All the best, Sunaina. You're going to have a lovely, huge family now.
Sunaina, you to unmute yourself.
Yeah.
Sunaina, she's not there.
She's frozen.
No, she's frozen. I think the thing is gone.
Oh, there she's moving.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. It's today I think the internet connection is very unstable. But
Yeah.
I'm really thankful to Bijal, Jyoti, Jayashree, Renuka, Lata, Pawan. These are the people, of course, and Pankaj also, because they've been there to motivate. Indra has been waving. Is she saying why? Or she wants to speak something? Anyway, thank you so much. It was
Sunaina,
wonderful.
there are always charter chairpersons, but there's always great to be the first one, and you're the first e-charter chairperson.
And she's really taken so much effort. You can't believe it. Like micro detailing she would get into. Bijal, what do I do about this? What do we do about that? But it's all turned out. I told you it'll all turn out beautifully.
It turned out very well.
It's beautiful, and we learned so much from all of you. I really mean it, just not for the sake. I mean, sitting here, I could see that now there's something where we are all going to learn so much from you.
Yeah,
And
it's a place to
we'll
belong.
do well.
It's a nice place to belong.
Yes, Smita. I'm so
Yeah.
happy to be connected with you again like this. With you
After a
Meena,
long time.
After Ladies Circle.
Yeah, but great job, Bijal, to anchor the entire thing with the entire, the oath and the charter certificate. It does require a lot of planning and execution. Very well.
Logistics,
Yes.
sending the
Good job, National
certificate
Board.
before, the kits before.
A lot of Bijal, Jyoti, I don't know who's been behind.
I must say, I'm very impressed.
It's brilliantly done.
When you handed over the charter certificate,
And gives
Sunaina
us
promptly
confidence for
got
the
it.
future ones.
1 second it reached Delhi.
Yeah, and she showed it also very nicely. That timing was
the
perfect.
courier service.
Blue Dart.
She mentioned
right now.
Right now, yeah.
Be fast. Bolna.
Be fast. Danzo, all of them.
Yeah. Rush.
Anyway, nice girls. Thank you all of you all.
Lovely to see Jogi, Nalini, and Pooja ji.
Jogi,
Good to see you
nice
too,
to
Ranjana.
see you. My God.
We are ready to welcome you for your official visit tomorrow.
Yes, I have a club visit tomorrow. 2 clubs.
Which club, Bijal?
Tomorrow is Bhubaneswar and Kathak.
Wow.
Even I got an invite. Yes.
Yes. Jayashree, don't forget.
I know, please remind me. Even this No, it's been very difficult. I've laid off 40 of my people from my company. It's very, very difficult. It's been bad times, yeah. Even while this was going on, I was sending acceptance of resignations to people. Anyways, yeah.
Everything will be all right, yeah.
It is.
Bijal, we need to plan a joint meeting with
sometime next
and
week.
T33, all
Yeah,
three
we'll do
together.
Yes, we'll do it. We'll do it soon.
Of the end of this month. Yeah.
Well done, Bijal. Very well done.
Thank you. Thank you, Nalini.
Congratulations.
One round of
Congratulations,
applause.
President and
Sunita and Bijal.
Nice feather in the cap.
Yes.
Bye, girls.
Making is really going on.
Bye.
Bye, bye, bye.
Nice to see you also.
Arey, leave, yeah. Nobody's leaving.
I'm leaving. Then everybody.